green.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
Jesus, man. God damn it! What the
Vocês ou no name de if they call police now.
Because they know everyone's in sight, and you're just asking to lose at that point. You might be thinking, okay, so let's just not play in sight, and the answer is yes, but we need to do it right. Because ignoring the only ones back into sight when your entire team is dead.
idiot?
Is that a brake light? What the hell? Ooh! That was is he? How did he? That's like a proper curb thing. Yeah. What the? How is he by?
My abandonment and betrayal by the Israeli government was the exception. When October 7th happened, I suddenly realized that the entire country had been betrayed and abandoned.
In Jerusalem, he helped dig graves for fallen Israeli soldiers after the Hamas attack in 2023.
Why is this car going across? Oh my god. Is he drunk? Jesus Christ. He would just stop right there.
Why did he
Put
just
him
sit there?
back.
Hey! Idiot! You idiot! Because your reward is righteous and beautiful of magic. It's not real, you can't
hold it in your head. Can't feel it with your heart.
What the f are you doing?
And I won't believe it, but if it's true, you can see it with your eyes. Oh, even in the dark.
Yeah, man. I mean, all we can do is place the orders, and when we're dealing with stuff that's made overseas, there's only so much we can do but wait.
Pray, yeah. I know it is.
Yeah.
That's life.
Yeah. But hey, man, we really do appreciate the patience, man.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you.
Tears shoelaces.
She moved out of state and shit, then went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy is not around.
No, did you see that? No. Oh, what the? It's not strapped down.
Basically everybody on his local route, and so he didn't mind it. Getting up was painful, but it was worth it. Samuel actually had become so close with the people on his route that night he was going to be throwing this big Christmas.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the ramp to Harlem River Drive.
Oh goodness, boys. Which one is it? Harlem River Drive? Oh, it's a drawbridge. That's why everybody's waiting here. We're waiting on the drawbridge. Oh! No! Yo! Yo! A boat hit the bridge? Oh! Couldn't sleep. Like that. A boat hit the... You just hit me. Stop! You just hit me! Oh, right here. You
Back
just...
it up, the bridge broke! The bridge broke! The bridge broke! Look!
Yeah. Oh. Stop, stop, stop! I can't go nowhere.
It's too crazy when all I really want is you to say you got it. All I need is you to take the way. You got it always. Can you stick around and hold me down when I can't keep it together?
Experience, please comment down below. I'd like to know if anyone has had a different experience or has had some kind of challenges that maybe I haven't. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And again, if you're not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe.
Watch it, watch it!
Are you gonna try and help him?
Go on. If he gets his foot down, he can get out. Don't. Jesus Christ.
In a foreign place, the saving grace was the feeling that it was a heart that he was stealing. Oh, he was ready to impress, and the fierce excitement, the eyes are bright, he couldn't wait to... It's far too easy to believe the true romance.
Didn't have the speed, but then at the end we were on tyres and placed myself in some good spots on restarts and managed to get through, but P3 is a pretty good result.
What did you learn on this track today with these new limits that's going to help you the rest of the weekend?
Just the restarts are carnage now. You really got to protect and park it up early and get yourself on the inside, so it kind of worked well for us.
All right, he's building a notebook for the rest of the weekend. That's Shane Van Gisbergen. He finishes up in the third spot. We'll check in finally here with Daniel Emmerich. He brings it home in the fourth position here, and you guys had a really good, consistent afternoon, it seemed like, with that truck, but down the final stretch, restarts were key. You guys go ahead and yourself back up there. How about that?
But I can't put you off my mind, no, I can't let go.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Hay no lugar como de la casa. Hay no lugar como con la casa.
They say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'm not gonna stand here and wait.